All right. What's up with Bitcoin? Dow Jones falls 300 points as red October continues. Cool. What's up with Bitcoin? Let me share with you what I see right now with Bitcoin, guys. Bit of a Bitcoin update. Let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. Trade is risky. Cancel some scams of loss. You know, you're going to get your head handed to you if you don't be consistent, disciplined, and patient. Record, review, and improve. Have a good coach, etc., etc., etc. You know what I'm talking about. Let's get straight into it. Guys, link in the description. 7 steps to becoming a good trader. Just go watch that video. You'll see what I mean here. Apply it to your system you're using right now. Let's get straight into it right now, guys. So what I'm looking at here right now, guys, on Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Man, Bitcoin has been what? First, we got a big flush up here, didn't we? Big spike up. And everyone went crazy. It's going to the moon. And then nothing. Right? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing for the last few months, right? Big run down, big run up, big run down, big up. So just really just very, it was very volatile and now we're quiet. Now, have you ever heard the analogy? The calm before the storm? Bitcoin, the calm before the storm. And you see on any chart out there, right, when it goes very, very quiet, what tends to happen after that? We have a storm. We have a big move, right? We have a nice move in a direction. Now, we're not talking a big flash up and a flash down. That's not going to happen. You know, but a nice move in the direction, right? Did I just say what I just said? Nice move in the direction. So, right, so a nice move in the direction. The calm before the storm. So, and that's got a lot to do. If you guys study GAN, that's got a lot to do with what's known as price and time, where the market has a run and then it rests. It runs, it rests. So it's just actually just going through a bit of resting phase right now. So that's what we're seeing right now in the short term. Is this daily chart say it's going to break up or break down? Nothing is saying, it's not saying anything here. So, but for you guys that are long-term looking to buy Bitcoin, now, by the way, I am actually looking to get into some cryptos. I'm looking to buy some cryptos, but not just yet, my little grasshopper. And why do I say that? Let's look at that weekly chart here. What is that weekly chart saying still to this day? Well, let's have a look at this here. Ever since, let's bring this over here. Oh, for you guys that are wondering how I'm viewing these charts, I'm using, I normally use my Forex and futures and provider and stuff like that, but I haven't got that platform open. So right now I'm just using the investing.com. So that's the website I'm using right now. So right now, without we thinking or any of that sort of stuff, what's the market been doing? The market has been doing what? It's been creating high, lower high, lower high, and now another lower high. Oh, but John, this is the bottom. Really? Is it really the bottom? How do you know? Because every time someone has tried to buy the bottom when the sellers are saying they're lowering their prices, they have been wrong. Now remember, guys, profitable trading is not about getting it right, like trying to pick the bottom, right? There's a very high probability, guys, and this is the if scenario. If we start to break below $6,000 on the weekly chart and we get a weekly close below the 6,000, we are going to get hammered. Hammered. 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, possibly even 1,000. And some of you guys saying, that's bullshit, John, it's not going to happen. But, you know, be honest with yourself and look at what the market's telling you. This is, remember, the weekly charts is what the big guys are thinking. Now, for me personally, I want to get into some cryptos. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for the trend to start to change again. What am I looking for? Let me actually open this up. Let me open this chart up. Let me actually then start to bring you back to, you know, bring you back to where? Bring you back to, let's actually just do, let me bring you back to these times through here. Look at this here, right? Let me see if I can move this here. Right, so look at this here, right? Remember, this is the weekly chart, guys, weekly. What have we got? We'll go back to 2015. Markets run down, higher, lower high, equal, sort of slide higher high, lower low, nothing happening, right? Then the market runs up, guess what? And then it pulls back a little bit. And then guess what? Yes, the market ran from like 240 to 440, but yes, that's okay. Leave that alone. Now guess what? Now what am I looking for? I'm looking for a break of these new highs. Bam, that's where I'm looking to get into. I'm looking to get into Bitcoin here with a stop below the low. And then I'm looking to see if this trend is going to then ride it up from there. High, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Do you see what I'm saying here, guys? This is what you need to be doing with Bitcoin. Higher low. Oh, look, stopped out there. But what are people doing right now? They're trying to what? They're trying to pick the bottom. 9 times out of 10, they're going to be wrong. Why not wait for the market to tell you it's going to turn around? And now what are we doing? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So Bitcoin, the calm before the storm. What do you guys think that's going to happen with Bitcoin? Are we about to, because guys, I'm not saying we're going to drop down. No. But I'm saying if we do, if the market confirms a weekly close below that 6,000 level, we're going to get slammed. But if we start a new upward trend, then yeah, we could see another big run in Bitcoin. And that's when I'd want to be getting into cryptos when that happens more too. Let me know what you think. After being mentored by 4 different 7-figure traders, I've realized they all have some things in common that actually help them do really, really well in the markets. So I'm actually putting on a free training where I'm going to walk you through the 7 simple but powerful universal laws to becoming a consistent profitable trader while achieving a very high success rate without spending 13 years trying to figure it all out. Plus, I'm going to walk you through the absolute details of my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. The very first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go check it all out and be able to go see this free training. And I'm going to walk you through every single detail of these 7 universal laws so you too can start to have the odds on your side. So go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.